Alright, we're inside of 26 East King Street here in Lancaster. And we have an elevator back here that goes up to the Altana Rooftop Bar Lounge. And here it is. And guess what? It's a ThyssenKrupp elevator. A ThyssenKrupp Synergy from 2015. Boy, there's music playing down here, so I'm going to try to get a copyright strike. Gotta talk over the music. Anyway, there's a mirror right there. Hello. And here's the elevator. Down in the basement. Look at our cab here going down. It's pretty nice but very basic ThyssenKrupp elevator. Here in the basement. There's our friend with security. I'm going to hide since this is a private floor. Go to the roof. And here we go, up to the roof. Here on the roof. Now edit 1. I'm going to show you this again. See, it's a ThyssenKrupp elevator. Capacity is 3,000 pounds. This is elevator number 2. Floor indicator. Here's your fire operations stuff right there. And these are your semaphore buttons. And your key card here above it as well. And your 1. Put the camera down in case somebody's about to use it. Hello. You're welcome. I'll end the video down here. We'll let this guy go up. And there goes the elevator, and that will be it.